Work out your imagination.
Here's how to make a colorful cat artwork. You'll need white paper, crayons, air dry clay, black marker, and Q-tips. First, take a blank white sheet and draw a curved line near the bottom using a crayon. Color the entire curved shape to complete the cat's face. Draw triangle ears on the top of the curve. Fill the ears with a different colored crayon. Repeat the same process to draw multiple cats in different colors, covering the whole sheet. Use a Q-tip to blend the edges of each cat to give them a soft, furry look. Take air dry clay and shape small pieces for the eyes and a tiny oval for the nose of each cat. Stick the eyes and nose onto each cat's face. Use the black marker to draw the pupils inside the eyes. Draw small whiskers and mouths on the cats with black marker. Now, your colorful cat artwork is complete. Happy playing!